Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase DevOps practices with Docker, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by understanding the fundamentals of DevOps and its importance in modern software development. Recognize how Docker can enhance your DevOps practices through containerization. Start by installing Docker on your local machine or server. Visit the official Docker website for the latest installation instructions. Follow the platform-specific setup guide for Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. Once installed, open your terminal or command prompt to verify the installation. Run the command Docker version to check if Docker is successfully installed. Next, familiarize yourself with basic Docker commands. Learn to build Docker images using the Docker file. Create a simple Docker file for your application. Specify the base image using the from command. Define the working directory with the workdir command. Copy your application files into the image using the copy command. Install the required dependencies with the run command. After setting up your Docker file, build the image using the command docker build t your imaginame. Next, run a container instance. Use the command docker run dp yourport your imaginame to start it. Monitor the running containers using the command docker ps to ensure they are operating correctly. Now, integrate Docker with your CI/CD pipeline. Select a CI/CD tool compatible with Docker, such as Jenkins, GitLab CI, or Circle CI. Modify your CI configuration to include Docker commands. Incorporate image building and testing in your pipeline's build stage. Set up deployment stages to deploy the Docker container to your production environment. Utilize Docker Compose for managing multi-container applications. Create a Docker Compose.yml file to define the services, networks, and volumes. Run Docker Compose up to start all containers at once. Now optimize your workflow by using Docker in local development. Encourage team members to use the same Docker images to maintain consistency. Utilize version control for your Docker files to track changes. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.